If your AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max have gone missing, help is on the way with Find My. In the Devices tab in Find My, tap your AirPods. If you have first or second generation AirPods, there will be a Directions button. You can tap it to open Maps, and the last known location of your AirPods will appear on the map. If your third generation AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max are outside of Bluetooth range, there will also be a Directions button. But if they're nearby and in Bluetooth range, there will be a Find button. Tap it to get help finding their location, whether they're in or out of their case. Start by moving your iPhone around your space a bit. Once your iPhone connects to your AirPods, Find My will let you know if you're getting closer or further away from them. If they are out of their case and you think each one might be somewhere different, you can tap left or right in the upper left corner to search for their location individually. Whether they're in their case or not, you can also tap the Play Sound button in the bottom right corner and follow a chime to their location. A notification will appear to let you know that a loud sound will play, which might be uncomfortable if someone is wearing them. Tap Play Sound to continue. Tap the X to go back once you found them. With AirPods Pro and third generation AirPods, you can turn on Lost Mode to get help recovering them if you still can't find them. Just swipe up on the handle and tap Activate under Mark as Lost. With Lost Mode turned on, you'll receive a notification the next time their location becomes available. They will also stay linked to your Apple ID, so if someone tries to use your AirPods, their location will be displayed. To activate Lost Mode, you can tap Continue and follow the on-screen steps. If you need to remove your AirPods from Find My, tap Remove this device. Once you do this, you won't be able to locate them using Find My, and you'll have to add them back to Find My if you eventually find them. And that's how Find My can help reunite you with your lost AirPods. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.